Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can export notes in Evernote. It's a very simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. So once you're here on your home page of the Evernote application, you can go ahead and click on Notes. It's on the left side of the screen. Once you're here, you can select either one of these notes to export, but if you want to export all of your notes at once, just click on Ctrl+A and select all the available notes. Once you do that, you will get an option over here at the bottom of your screen. Just click on three dots to get more actions, and over here you can see a button where it says export. Just click on export and it will give you a multitude of options. It all depends on the type of format that you want, but if you just want to export these as a PDF, you can click on the X button to close this window, click on the more options button again, and click on export as PDF. Once this is done, you will see that the notes have been aligned into one page. You can just click on export and it will ask you where you want to save these notes. I'll put them in downloads, and yeah, that is it. We have now successfully exported our notes in Evernote. I'll quickly show you guys the result. So there you go, these were both our notes. I exported them, and yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.